And we're back to learn CapCut in here, day 105. Let me show you how you can create a 3-video split screen effect. When you have vertical videos, it's not that tough. You just add one here, make sure that you switch the aspect ratio to 16:9. And let's say you have one horizontal and then 2 verticals. You can just drag the verticals like this, or you can use a line right and a line left. Simply make sure that they're on top of the horizontal one. So the horizontal one needs to be on video channel 1, other ones on top. And then you can just roll it. You don't have to add a mask or anything. That's totally fine. We make these 2 invisible and I add 2 more horizontal clips. So now all 3 have 16:9, and here it's a little bit harder to do. I've shown you in the last video you can add a mask right there. Video mask, add mask. We're going to use the film strip, rotate it 90 degrees, make it a bit bigger. Maybe I reposition it a little bit to the right. That's good. The other one, the same. Video mask, add mask, film strip. Then rotate it, size it up. Oh, we're good. But if you now want to just reposition that, this is not going to work that easily. Due to the mask kind of changes the aspect ratio of the clip, at least for the positioning. And therefore, if I use the same position here, which was 1313, and then I'll put the vertical clip on top, you can see we have a little bit of a gap right here. So this is an issue, and the easiest way to solve that is to just import one of these vertical clips and then use that right here as a border. So I simply drag this one now that has a mask, the horizontal clip, right here until my vertical clip vanishes, and then I don't need the vertical anymore. I can delete it. And the same I do for the one on the left hand side. So this one has a mask. This one on video channel 2 doesn't. I drag it on top, and now I drag the one with the mask to the left until I've hit the border of the vertical clip. So you don't need any templates or need to do fancy calculations or anything. Just use these vertical clips as placeholders and then position the horizontal ones with the mask right where they were. And then you've got your 3-video split screen correctly positioned no matter where you've put the mask for the clips. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.